All right, guys, welcome back to day 34 of getting a certification. We are currently going to be spending another 2.5 hours on this. Let's keep it short and sweet. We're currently sitting at 204 followers across all 3 platforms. So thank you guys so much for over 200 followers, and thank you guys so much for the support. It's going to be 2.5 hours. As we get more followers, I will be upping the amount of time that I spend on this. So be sure to follow if you're not already. And so let's get right into it. All right, so I've been working for about half of the time so far, and I'm just gonna rant a little bit because this is probably my least favorite thing ever is linting errors, because they basically have you walk you through making a workflow and all that on GitHub. So that part's really useful. What's not useful is all of these lines of code that say hey, you're this is wrong, or this is wrong, or this is wrong. And you basically have to go through all of this, and it's literally just add a space in between, a colon, or remove a space at the end of the line, or what else was there that was really dumb? You know what? Let me go to the one I'm currently trying to look at, because this is just this takes the icing on the cake here. Is continuation line under indented for visual indent. I've gotten this error so many times on the same line of code. It is this line of code right here, and yeah, I could bump this up here, but then and bump these up here as well, but then I get the issue of, oh well, now your line's too long, and then you have to keep playing the game with the linter to make it work, and this is really annoying. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the end of this now, so hopefully I get this done. All right, so in spite of that hiccup, we did end up finishing for the day. I ended up struggling through the rest of the containerization stuff, basically making a Docker file, being able to deploy that container, and then run the application. There's a couple of hiccups, but we figured it all out. So all that's left is just to submit everything, and then I'm going to try and get started with the 13th course. But from what I do understand, there is other an optional thing, enhance the car dealership website, front-end enhancement, inventory back-end service, and then front-end development for car inventory service. I don't know if I want to do these exactly. I feel like they're just little extra things that you can add on to it. I'm sure if I were to go through them while I do work tomorrow, I'll decide whether or not I want to, but yeah. Anyways, that'll do it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Follow for more if you're interested, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.